Worried about the SK timestamp library DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. Before we dive into the SK timestamp library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the SK timestamp library, a native Windows library responsible for the localized rendering of file timestamps and metadata in File Explorer. While rare to go missing, its corruption causes Explorer.exe has stopped working loops when a user attempts to sort a large folder by date, as the shell crashes while attempting to resolve file metadata. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of SK timestamp library DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including SK timestamp library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Keep in mind that SK timestamp library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to SK timestamp library management. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including SK timestamp library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.